This video shows you how to install the convenience stapler on your printer. Turn off the printer. Unplug the power cord from the electrical outlet, and then from the printer. Remove the column covers. Unpack the convenience stapler. Connect the power cord to the power supply. Insert the power supply through the printer, and then connect it to the convenience stapler. Install the convenience stapler. Position the power supply cable properly. Attach the column cover. Connect the stapler power cord to the electrical outlet. When the blue light comes on, perform a staple test. Connect one end of the printer power cord to the printer. To avoid the risk of fire or electrical shock, connect the other end of the power cord to an appropriately rated and properly grounded electrical outlet. Turn on the printer.